In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Wix discount pop-up. A well-timed discount pop-up can turn casual browsers into happy buyers. I'll walk you through adding one in Wix, customizing its look, and setting when it appears, so it feels helpful rather than intrusive. Start in the Wix editor for your site. On the left-hand toolbar, click the plus icon to add a new element. This opens the library of items you can place on your page. From there, choose Interactive. This section contains lightboxes and other elements designed to grab attention and encourage action, which is perfect for a discount offer. Next, select Promotion. You'll see a gallery of ready-made promotional pop-ups with different layouts and styles. Pick a design that matches your brand's vibe, colors, typography, and overall energy. If you expect a lot of mobile traffic, look for a clean layout with large, readable text and a clear call to action. Once it's added to your site, customize it. Click the text to edit your headline and message. Keep it short, clear, and benefit focused. For example, the exact discount, who it applies to, and what to do next. If your layout includes a button, make the action unmistakable, like Get Discount or Apply Code. Then change the image to something that supports your offer. Use a high-quality image that doesn't distract from the message, and keep file sizes reasonable so your pages load fast. Now let's control when the pop-up appears. Click Set Triggers. Triggers determine where and how your pop-up is shown. Give your pop-up a clear internal name so you can find it easily later, something like Welcome Discount or Spring Sale. Good naming keeps things organized when you have multiple pop-ups running. Look for the option that says Automatically Display a Pop-up on Pages and turn it on. When prompted, click Yes. This tells Wix to show the pop-up automatically without needing the visitor to click anything first. Click. Choose a page to decide where it should appear. If you want it to greet new visitors right away, select First Page Visitor Sees. This means that no matter which page someone lands on, your home page, a product page, or a blog post, the pop-up will appear on that very first page they open. It's a great way to present a welcome discount to maximize conversions from the start. That's it. You've added a promotional pop-up, tailored its content, and set it to appear automatically on the first page your visitors see. Keep the message simple, the visuals on brand, and the action obvious, and your discount pop-up will work hard without getting in the way.